northeast of Bangladesh, in Gowainghat Upazila of Sylhet district, there is a hidden dreamland, a wonderful forest surrounded by nature, growing across the chest of water. Its name is Ratar Gul Swamp Forest. This is the only freshwater swamp forest in Bangladesh, and one of the few in the world, where the roots of the trees are submerged underwater and their heads touch the sky. When we board a boat and enter this forest, it feels like we are floating in a fairy tale not on Earth. The kaura, hizal and karach trees that stand in the shade of the green water around us have been silent guardians of the forest, as if they have adapted to this kingdom of water for thousands of years. The sound of the boat scuttling mixes with the sound of the birds, and the scent of young leaves wafts through the air. Every wave of this forest, every shadow of every tree seems to say, "Love nature, keep it alive." Hundreds of tourists come to see this forest every day, yet Ratar Gul still retains its natural beauty like a silent artist. When there is only water and greenery around, you realize how insignificant all the complexities of humans are to nature. Time stops here, sounds disappear, and only peace and fascination remain. Ratar Gul is not just a tourist destination, it is a living school where you can learn how nature and life know how to live together. If you ever come to Sylhet, then definitely come to Ratar Gul once. See with your own eyes the eternal beauty of the green trees standing on the water. This was our trip today, the unique Ratar Gul Swamp Forest in Sylhet. Such beauty of nature reminds us of how extraordinary Bangladesh is. How did you like this video? Don't forget to tell us in the comments. And yes, if you like the video, then definitely subscribe to the Live Bangla channel and stay by our side, because your love is our new inspiration to make videos. See you in the next video with a new story. Until then, stay well. Love nature. Thank you.